Alright, this is Motorola Evoke. Just want to show you some of the real cool things about it in terms of the widgets and the always on, always connected capabilities. So there's 7 pre-programmed widgets that you just swipe right through. We have YouTube, USA Today, RSS feeds, again, totally customizable RSS feeds, where you can set and put in ones that aren't already in there using the browser. MySpace, Google, Picasa, automatic upload of your Picasa photos, slideshows, etc. And then weather, again, customizable to cities that you care about. A bunch of us are from Chicago, so that's why we have Chicago. The one and only physical key that's on the outside display here is this menu key. And it pulls up all the menus. As you can see, everything is icon-based. Absolutely nothing is using a menu or an option key. Very simple and intuitive if someone's using a touchscreen for the first time. So you slide through the menus, you just double-click on any of the applications that you want to dive a little further into. So let's say I want to send a text. I click on text, and there's the haptic response for the texting. I do create a text, and now I have a bunch of different ways I can input my text message. There's the bell numeric keypad on the touchpad, which I could use if that's what I like. But here's where the slider comes into play. It's a bell numeric slider, and again, this is for kind of a voice-centric, phone-first experience to be able to dial the number at any time, or if I'm more comfortable, for example, texting like a lot of youth are, texting using the numeric keypad, I can. However, if I prefer a QWERTY keypad, it has an accelerometer, so we can switch to the full QWERTY and type that way.
You type just a little bit, just so you can see how that all goes.
And the typing.
What kind of touchscreen is it, if you know offhand? Resistive or capacitive?
Oh, it's capacitive.
Okay.
So we're saying hi, lady. Oh. It's got the also the predictive text. So if I wanted it to say like, I say accept, and it adds the word automatically. This is delete. This is sort of the enter key, and this is the exit application. Then back on the main menu, a few other kind of physical keys on the side of the device. There's a physical lock to prevent the unintentional phone calls from your pocket, as well as the camera application. When I press the camera, it loads the camera, which is a 2 megapixel with 5x zoom, and I just use it to take a picture of whatever I want. Great shutter response. And then again, I can upload to Picasa and include it in my slideshow if I want. So that's really the quick tour of the Motorola Evoke, available in Q2.
Perfect. Can we just spin it around and give them all of
this is the side view of the volume. This is with the slider out and the camera on the back of the device.
Doesn't that look familiar?
And then here on the side with the physical lock key, as well as the camera, the dedicated camera.
Sure.